producing 20 amps. So 20 amps M-Low electric stove. Okay. This is your mains. Okay. So on top of second breaker people wires are looping or calling bridge. Okay. Or bridge all power beyond that because active come content lapper and top now wire little wire placing up inside also terminal second breaker bridge. Which is this is your terminal on top here. Okay. So on top also terminal or bridging or wire on top there. So those are known as your bridge. So remember, 10 amp second breaker control remote with a light and a fan launch wheel. 16 amp second breaker control remote with a power point launch wheel. So if you got a house wheel, now you off you 20 amps or 16 amp second breaker will be over the fridge bulb, radio or charger connecting or power point over the bulb because 16 amps controls all your power point. So 20 amps electric stove and the other 10 amps you can use it for your perimeter lighting or security lighting. Okay. That's for your 10 amps. So over the 10 amps powering over the lights now 10. Okay. So that's for your main switchboard. Okay, so the line that connects your pole to your house is known as your
Service line.
service line, the popular term or aerial cable, single phase. So it ranges from 6 mil up to 16 mil. I just know. So black line. Okay, so the black line single phase, how about you tell which one positive now, which one negative because black, two planted black. Okay. So the other thing when you look service line view, the two service line that runs to your house, the one that has a smooth surface is your active. The dark plus cable where the feeling of it is rough, that's your neutral. And that's how to tell which one is active and which one is neutral. Okay, so the other guy, okay, so neutral is your written line. What about this guy here? F. Going back to your notes.